Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Jen here. Today I am doing a collaboration with Mandy from Mandy in the Making and Jennifer over at Cook, Clean, and Repeat, as well as some other ladies here on YouTube. There will be a link down in the description box of the playlist of everybody that joins the collaboration. And it will be all of us cleaning our kitchens at night and helping to motivate others to clean their kitchen at night, because I know myself, I absolutely love waking up to a clean kitchen. It gets me started for the day rather than stressed out, getting up, dishes everywhere. I don't always get it done. I'm just being honest. I mean, hey, we shoot for the moon over here, but we don't always reach it. So I am on this evening, it's about 7:30, and I am getting everything cleaned up and ready to rock and roll for the next day. So I hope you guys get some motivation yourself, and will stick around and check out my channel and hopefully subscribe if you like what you see. And don't forget to check out the link in the description box of all the other ladies that will be cleaning their kitchen at night.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. so you and me will kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me.